When life's little accidents happen, the Vacmaster EasyClean Spot Cleaner comes to the rescue, quickly removing spills and stains from soft furnishings, carpets, floors and more. Compact and light, it can be stored where it's easy to grab. The Vacmaster EasyClean comes with 2 accessories, a tough stain tool for cleaning uneven surfaces in narrow spaces, and a wider tool for lifting larger spills quickly. Both tools come with nylon brushes to agitate ground-in dirt and lift stains away. Just spray, brush and vacuum for a spotless finish. Master any mess with the Vacmaster EasyClean.